Hey guys, it's Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back, guys. So, as promised, I have a few books to show you that will be going up at the Etsy store this weekend. There are 3, but I have another one started, so there may be 4, maybe 5. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So they're all basically the same on the inside. They just have very different covers. So I showed you this one a couple of videos ago, the Delusions of Grandeur, Volume 3. You know, we have a lot of delusions. So inside we've got the beautiful marbled paper, and this is not a print. These are the originals. And that's the back page. And then on the inside, they all have the same amount of pages. And they all have just random different things that, you know, you guys know. So there will be digital prints. There will be book pages. There'll be a little bit of parchment paper here and there. So all kinds of pretty things to look at while you're writing in your book, and different little prompts for you, maybe. Something to spur on your creativity and that kind of thing. Yeah, you know. So there's Delusions of Grandeur. We have Strange Ideas and Terrible Plans. And this is covered totally in a textile. Let's see if we can get this. Can you see it? Can you see the textile? And this one kind of looks like a ledger. And then it's got the marble paper front and back. And same deal. Same dealio. Same neat stuff all the way through, ledger and different kinds of fun stuff all the way through. And then we have the burn book. On Wednesdays, we wear black. So if any of you are a Mean Girls fan, I loved Mean Girls. I thought it was hilarious. It's one of my favorite. And I know they wear pink, but you know, I don't wear much pink. So we're gonna wear black. And inside, gorgeous marbled paper. Only a mean girl would have this gorgeousness, right? And this one actually has a little pocket in the front. So here is the third one. And each of these books will come with a little book plate so that you can add this if you wish. This is what I figured. Maybe somebody doesn't want to slap one of these on the marble paper. Maybe they'd rather have it, you know, inside the front cover or something, inside the front page, first page. Maybe they want to just, you know. And then also I have some scrap samplers, and so each of the books will come with a scrap sampler. So that will be fun to play with and have some extra stuff to go along. And like I said, there will probably be 4, and I'm going to try my darndest to have 5. I have all the papers tea stained. I just got to do it, right? I just got to do it. So I will try and focus and power through. Today is Friday. It is December 14th. So tonight at midnight is the end of the Etsy and the Teachable sale. And let's be honest, I probably will not be awake at midnight, so if the prices don't change until I get up in the morning, that might happen. So if you don't purchase it by midnight, it probably won't change tomorrow morning. So you know, I'm just going to, full disclosure there, in all honesty, that's probably, yeah, as soon as the sun goes down, which, you know, is like, you know, 2:30 in the afternoon or whatever stupidness happens in the winter, I just, my energy level just tanks, and I'm just, I just turn into a pile of goo. So I think that's why I eat so much candy and drink so much coffee. It's just to keep going. So just FYI, that will happen, probably not tonight at midnight, although that is the official time, but probably first thing in the morning. And I think that's it for now. I've got some super cool, interesting, totally new stuff coming up. Fun stuff for us to do together and stuff that's been requested, but I really hadn't had time to tackle it. Well, we're gonna tackle some stuff. We're gonna branch out, we're gonna diversify, we're gonna have some fun. So that will be coming up soon. It is in the plans, it is in the works, and something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I have no excuses anymore. We're just gonna do it. All right, kids, thank you for stopping by and checking out our little semi-nakeds here. And well, I guess they're kind of naked because there's no sewing in them. So they're scandalously naked. And I will catch you really soon, probably in a couple days in the next video. Bye, guys.